Here's how to fix some websites not opening in any browser. If certain websites aren't opening in any of your internet browsers, there are a few network settings you can check to fix the problem. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open Settings and select Network and Internet from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click on Proxy. Make sure Automatically Detect Settings is turned on. Then, check the Proxy Server option and make sure it's turned off. Once you've confirmed these settings, close the window. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel and make sure View By is set to Large Icons. Select Network and Sharing Center. From the left-hand side, click Change Adapter Settings. Find the network connection you're currently using, right-click on it, and select Properties. From the list, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. At the bottom of the window, you'll see the option to obtain DNS server addresses automatically. Select Use the following DNS server addresses instead. Enter 8888 as the preferred DNS server. Then enter 8844 as the alternate DNS server. Click OK and close the remaining network settings windows. Now open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, enter netsh winsock reset and press Enter to run the command. Then enter ipconfig /flush DNS and press Enter again. Once both commands have been completed, restart your computer. After your computer starts again, open your browser and try accessing the website that wasn't working. If you're still unable to access certain websites, you can try resetting your network settings. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Network and Internet from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, select Network Reset. Click Reset Now to reset your network configuration. Windows will reset your network settings, which may help resolve problems preventing certain websites from loading. After the reset is complete, restart your computer and try accessing the websites again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.